My name is Tom Cruise. I am a Hollywood actor. I was born on July 3, 1962, in Syracuse, New York. My parents are Mary Lee and Thomas Cruise Mapother III. My mom was a special education teacher, and my dad was an electrical engineer. They are both now retired. I wake up early every day. I like to start my day around 5 a.m. The morning is quiet, and I enjoy the peace. I stretch my body and take a moment to think about my day. This helps me feel focused and ready. After stretching, I drink a glass of water. Staying hydrated is important for my energy. I then head to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually eat a healthy meal. I enjoy eggs, toast, and fruit. Sometimes I have oatmeal with nuts and berries. Once I finish breakfast, I prepare for my workout. Staying fit is very important for my job. I work out for about an hour every day. My routine includes cardio, weight training, and stretching. I like to run, lift weights, and do yoga. After my workout, I take a shower. I feel refreshed and ready to start my day. I then get dressed for work. I choose my clothes carefully, as they help me feel confident. I like to wear comfortable yet stylish outfits. By 8 a.m., I am ready to leave for work. I often have meetings or rehearsals scheduled. I drive to the studio or location where we are filming. The drive gives me time to listen to music or think about my scenes. When I arrive at work, I greet my coworkers and the crew. It feels good to be around people who share my passion. We discuss the day's shooting schedule and what needs to be done. I love collaborating with everyone. Filming usually starts around 9 a.m. I focus on my character and the script. I work hard to bring my role to life. Sometimes filming can be challenging, but I enjoy the process. I like to give my best in every scene. During breaks, I talk to my co-stars. We share stories and laugh together. It helps to build a good atmosphere on set. I also take time to review my lines and prepare for the next scenes. Around noon, we take a lunch break. I usually eat something healthy, like a salad or grilled chicken. I also drink more water to stay hydrated. Lunch is a good time to relax and recharge for the afternoon. After lunch, we continue filming. I stay focused and give my all. Sometimes we have long days on set. Filming can take many hours, but I enjoy every moment. I love telling stories through my work. By the end of the day, I feel tired but satisfied. I usually finish filming around 6 p.m. I say goodbye to my coworkers and head home. The drive back is a time for me to unwind after a busy day. When I get home, I like to spend time with my family. Family is very important to me. I often call my kids or spend time with my friends. We share stories about our day and enjoy each other's company. After dinner, I take some time to relax. I might watch a movie or read a book. I enjoy stories, whether in films or on the page. It helps me to unwind and enjoy my evening. Before going to bed, I prepare for the next day. I review my schedule and make sure I am ready. I also take a moment to reflect on my day. I think about what went well and what I can improve. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. A good night's sleep is important for my health and energy. I feel grateful for my life and the opportunities I have. Each day is a chance to grow and learn. On weekends, I like to spend time outdoors. I enjoy activities like hiking and biking. Nature helps me relax and recharge. I also like to spend time with my family and friends during my free time. Sometimes I attend events or premieres. These are exciting opportunities to celebrate our work. I enjoy meeting fans and sharing experiences with others in the industry. It reminds me of why I love acting. I also take time to give back. I support charities and organizations that help others. I believe it is important to use my platform for good. Helping others brings me joy and fulfillment. In my career, I have faced many challenges. The film industry can be tough, but I never give up. I work hard and stay focused on my goals. I believe in myself and my dreams. My daily routine keeps me grounded. It helps me balance work and personal life. I stay committed to my health, family, and career. Each day is a new opportunity to grow and succeed. I am grateful for my journey as an actor. I have had the chance to work with amazing people and tell incredible stories. My passion for acting drives me to keep improving.